So hey guys, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to add overlay in Capcut. So for example, I have a video here and I would like to add this video as overlay. So what we need to do is just click on the video which you would like to add as overlay and just drag it above the other video. Now that you have both videos, what you can do is just click on the video above and just go to video, remove background, and just click on auto removal. This function is available with the pro version and it's gonna just remove the background of the video. As you can see, it's pretty accurate. You can also zoom in and we can adjust the feather to make it more accurate, or we can expand the mask a little bit. But now we added this as an overlay. Obviously you don't have to use the auto removal function. I just show you that you have this. For example, if you would like to use your head as an overlay, you can just remove the background and then it's less distracting, or it takes up less space. So now we can put it wherever we want. We can adjust the size by dragging the corners. You can also right click on the clip and go to edit and just mirror. And then it's gonna be the other way around. You can also adjust the size by going to video, basic, and scale. And if you want to undo the remove background, it's just gonna uncheck the auto removal. So as you can see now, it's the whole clip, but it looked better with the removal. Alright, so all in all, this is how to add overlay in Capcut. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to all premium Capcut features, you can try out Capcut Pro for 7 days for free by clicking the link in the description below. Also, check out our Capcut video editing for beginners ebook that you can also download for free. And last but not least, have a look at our other video editing tutorials, resources and deals in the video description as well.